Hi everyone and welcome to my crafty channel. Today we'll be making jewelry again, finally. Now this DIY has been based on the game, which is something I introduced like a few months ago and I only just got to do it now. And basically a while ago I showed you my bead collection and I asked you for suggestions of what I should make and like beads I should combine and all that jazz. And honestly, I was amazed how many of you commented and left me suggestions for DIYs. So thank you so much. It was great to read about your ideas and, you know, see how creative you are, because it's oh my god, you're great. So what I will be doing, I will definitely be choosing other comments as well and, you know, suggestions, and I'm gonna be making them come true. But for now I chose just one comment because obviously it's just one DIY, and I went for a comment by Nails by Sharon. And she basically suggested I use some silver wire with those mysterious purple beads, which I absolutely love, and I haven't had a chance to use them yet. So I really wanted to, you know, give it a go and see how it works. So let's get started! I really hope you enjoyed this DIY, and I truly hope you give it a go, try it yourself, see how it works. And yeah, until next time, I love you. Bye bye.